continuous. Rain falls softly on the glow. Neon rivers drift below. Mr. Frog walks slow alone through the place he once called home. Old transmissions flicker blue, like the nights we once drove through. Static whispers in the rain, calling out old names again. Streetlights shimmer, water moves. Every memory returns to you. Rain over Cyberpond, neon in the sky. Every light reflecting like the years going by. Rain over Cyberpond, static on the shore. If the night could speak again, would we be like before? Empty arcades softly glow, ghost inside the overflow. Satellite reflections break across the dark synthetic lake. Purple thunder far away, washing old transmissions gray. Still the pond remembers all, every rise and every fall. Mr. Frog, the signal still remains. The pond remembers you.